sugarcane next to the green grass. That's a good lunch. I wish if everybody showed up, we would have a so much bigger line. Hopefully next time you guys can come and join us. We had a delicious meal. It was awesome. Now we're gonna take some photos. Here we are, the last footage of the event. It was a pleasure. We had Shane, we have David in the white TRD, myself in the red. We got Mr. Matt Fisher on his loud obnoxious Aurion. We got a few flavors to entice every selection taste of car lovers. It's really nice to see the white one. I like this one here, so it's nice to see some white one coming to join the family trip. So yeah. So Shane, your thought on today's event? I know some people didn't show up today.
Yeah, not enough people. More people show up next time.
Yes. That's it. That's it. More people to show up. So yeah, make sure you show up next time. Alright guys, any messages for those that didn't show up today?
Next time, missed out.
Yep, definitely they missed out. And
It's so
Mum?
pretty here. It's so lovely.
I know they missed out.
Just missed out on so much,
I know.
honestly.
Matt?
Make it next time.
Yep, make it next time. David?
Where are you?
Yes!
Why aren't you here?
Yes, where's everybody? You know?
Lovely day. Beautiful day here.
I know, look at that, a beautiful sky. You know, we've got a wedding happening there.
Not ours.
Yeah, we wish. But yeah.
We could have.
Could you imagine somebody come and say, hey, can I rent this one on our wedding day? Gotcha. So yeah. Well, that's it everybody. Thank you guys for those who turned up, for those that didn't. Unfortunately, you missed out. It is what it is. Best dress, first in. There you go. Till next time.
Bye.